Today I'm gonna be opening an enormous package. I just went on Amazon and bought the biggest camera lens I could find.
No, not that one. Wait. This is as heavy as a metal baseball bat.
It's so big. What? What the heck? I was expecting this to be like a piece of plastic. It's so large. It's not even. It's half the size. What the actual? How am I gonna hold this? Okay, we're opening it. Before I open this
Enormous package,
I thought you should know this goes from
650 millimeters to 2600.
with the crop mode on the Sony full frame cameras, almost 4,000 millimeters of zoom. That's more than 160 times magnification. Before this, the largest lens I'd heard of was 2,000 millimeters. This is almost 4,000. Okay, moment of truth. It can't be that big, right? I'm kidding, it's so big. What the heck? It's so heavy. It's like a sniper scope. Oh my goodness. What am I opening? This is so heavy. Opteka. This thing is literally could be used as a combat weapon. The zipper just, wow. Okay. I can't even open it now. Bad points for you. What the f? This thing is solid metal. There's the lens cap. Let's take that off. Sound like it's literally screwed on. Dang. That's crazy. Can't right now, man. Okay, well, I could literally like
knock someone unconscious with this thing.
The covers are really screwed on there. Oh, it's not any bigger when I look through it with my eyeball. Well, let's see if it fits on the Sony camera. Dang, those are crazy moon photos. AED3.
5 stars, high quality lens, great pictures, great price. I was a little skeptical paying so little for this lens, considering the Canon alternative costs more than a used car, but based on other feedback, I went for it and am pleasantly surprised with the results. I purchased this for a Canon Rebel T6i. The lens comes with the necessary T adapter and the 2X adapter. I gave it a go at our last full moon and was pleased with the pictures. Here are a few things to know to get your money's worth, but believe me, it's worth it. This is a fully manual lens, no auto anything. You must set the camera in manual mode to use it. Focus and everything yourself. This is not as scary as it sounds.
Who's scared of manual focusing? It's not that hard.
The included instructions will help you manually set everything. Again, don't be scared. You can get really close to the subject matter, miles and miles close. Make sure you use a tripod and a shutter remote, as any vibration will make the shots blurry. So they're talking about for pictures, right? If you're doing video, you can start it and then hold it still. But tripod, so useful. All in all, very pleased with the lens and very pleased with the results.
Juan Ataris.
5 stars, good lens. Overall, good lens.
Why is he spelling it like that?
I need to try it out more, as I've only used it to photograph the moon. It is important to mention that you need a sturdy tripod and a mono tripod to make it stable. Probably is a tripod I used, but the lens kept going down, although it fit perfectly in the tripod. Yes, it is pretty heavy, so any movement you make with it will make the photo move or also lose the subject you are photographing. In this case, the moon, as I was using the converter plus the 1300mm. Well, the moon disappeared frequently from the viewer, so that's the reason you need something sturdy.
1 star.
Junk. I had low standards, knowing it's a cheap lens. Still a disappointment. It took way too long to get delivered. There was a scuff on the inside of one of the lens, and also other poor workmanship.
Poor workmanship. Several words. It's hard to take bad reviews seriously when they don't have good grammar. I'm sorry.
Image quality is fine for the cost. When you zoom in and out, the lens fills your camera body with dust and felt material inside the barrel of the lens. Don't waste your time and money.
We'll see. 5 stars, Bob Jacques.
A great low-cost option for great focal length. I purchased this lens because of the great focal length for low cost. It performs very well if Karen's setting it up and mounting it to a very sturdy sport, while the performance is less than can be obtained with a higher cost lens. If one was available, it serves my purpose very well in being able to photograph distant scenes.
Well, let's go test it out. In order to focus this, all you do, it'll say near and far, and you just twist it back and forth. Much easier when it's mounted on a tripod. It comes with everything you need to put it on a tripod. You just have to have a tripod. And then this is the zoom. So when it's in like this, it's a 650 millimeters, unless it has this converter. And whoa, hello there. When it's pulled all the way out, then it's 1300 millimeters or 2600 with the 2x converter, or 3900 with the Sony 1.5 times crop mode on full frame cameras. It's crazy stuff. See that water tower right there? This is at 3900 millimeters. So you're very close to it on this. So the beach is over there. You can probably about not even see it, but you're gonna see it in a second. So that's the moon, right? Enormous lens. The moon. Isn't that crazy? So what we've learned is this is a great lens if you want something really cheap that can zoom really far. So wildlife or things like that, the moon. It's a great alternative to spending $100,000 on a lens. But other than that, you might not need this for everyday use because it is kind of big. But it's really, really fun. So if you get a chance to try it out, I would definitely do it just to have fun for a day.